Wait, what? An international interview call with a UK firm? Okay, what is British accent like?
October. Opportunity. Opportunity.
That went right over my head. Have you ever felt like that too? That you're not able to understand accent of someone else because let's be real, you don't have subtitles when you're giving interviews, or you don't have subtitles when you're giving a conference talk, or you're talking to your international team members. And I get it. It's a little tough to really understand their accent because it's different from the way that we speak. So our English and the way that we speak is very, very different from how someone in Britain will speak or someone in the US will speak, and this is exactly the tool that we are going to explore today. Hey everyone, my name is Anu and we are extending a series of figuring out cool AI tools that can either make you smarter, better, and just overall increase your career progression. So today the tool that we are going to talk about is called Utell AI. Now this is a very cool accent conversion tool which you can add onto your Zoom calls, Zoom meetings. So it's very easy to integrate that. I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step tutorial. And if you want to try it out, the link is in the description. Do go ahead and try it out. Let's assume you are presenting something in a hackathon, or you're present giving an online conference, or you have international team members in your team and you're going ahead on Zoom calls with them doing some debugging, troubleshooting. So these are some use cases where this tool can be really handy. So let's go and talk about how you can actually set up this app. So once you click on the link in the description, you can go ahead and download this, whether it's for Mac or it's for Windows. And then what you have to do is you are also given a guide right here. So when you open the app, you see a screen where you see the user guide and you'll learn how to apply this settings. So what you'll do is you'll go to your settings in Zoom. So make sure you have installed Zoom as well. So go to the settings in Zoom. Now when you go to audio, you'll see microphone, right? In the microphone, just go ahead and click Util microphone, and when you get speaker, you need to choose it as Util speaker. So very cool feature about this app is that it doesn't just work with Zoom, it also works with Teams, it also works with Google Meet. So in most of the things, you'll just go ahead and you can go ahead and select that. So we'll just try out this tool in Meet. So here's what I'm going to go. So I'm connected. Now the thing that I need to do is I need to click on, instead of MacBook microphones, I'm just going to go ahead and click Util microphone, and then I'm going to go ahead and click Util speaker, and yeah, that's it. That's the setting done. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly ask someone to join this meeting and let's see what happens. Okay, so first I'll tell you exactly what I'm going to be saying, and then you'll hear that exact same thing in after the accent conversion. So this is what I am currently speaking in the interview. Really excited to share about my journey. I started my career as a software engineer, and over time I realized I love solving real world software problems.
I'm really excited to share about my journey. I started my career as a software engineer, and over time I realized I loved solving real world problems.
I believe the key to growth is continuous learning, and that's something I focus on both personally and professionally.
I believe the key to growth is continuous learning, and that's something I focus on both personally and professionally.
So just like you saw from the live demo, it was very easy to go ahead and take my own accent and very smoothly convert it and soften that accent. So that's exactly the what Util AI does, and you can go ahead and try it out. The link is in the description. It's a very cool tool which I personally think I'm going to use a lot. So a couple of more use cases for this app could be, let's say you have freelance client meetings, or you have remote interviews, or you have like hackathon project pitches, or you have like stand-ups with international team members. That's where you can go ahead and use this tool. And why this matters is because we want to be global citizens. We don't want to be limited because of our conversation or the accent that we have. And I'm glad that AI is kind of bridging that gap. So that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. We're going to be exploring more cool AI tools in the coming videos. And just so you know that these tools are very easy to use, but you need someone to teach them. And that is why I am here for you. And I hope you like this video. Make sure you comment yes to tell me that you have tried out this app. I really want to know your feedback and if you liked it. And subscribe for more. And I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.